Hello. Days of the week in English. Days of the week in English. Overview of days. 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 One. Monday. 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 Tuesday. 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 3. Wednesday. 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 4. Thursday. 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 5. Friday. 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 Saturday. 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 Sunday. 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 Pronunciation. Pronunciation tips. Pronunciation. Pronunciation tips. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Weekdays and weekend. Weekdays and weekends. Weekday, weekend. Weekday, weekend. Weekdays, Monday to Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. Weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Weekday, weekend. I work on weekdays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I relax on the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Days in sentences. Sentence, 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 sentence. I have a meeting on Monday. Monday. Tuesday is my favorite day. We go shopping every Saturday. What are you doing this Sunday? I have a meeting on Monday. Tuesday is my favorite day. We go shopping every Saturday. What are you doing this Sunday? Common phrases. Phrases with days. Days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Friday. Blue. Monday. Monday. Sunday. Funday. Sunday. Throwback. Thursday. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Blue, Monday. Sunday, Funday. Throwback, Thursday. Thursday. Quiz time, Monday. 3. Tuesday, Wednesday. 2. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thank you.